Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup Avalara sales tax records for audits step by step clearly. Open your Avalara account and log in using your credentials. Navigate to the Reports section in the main menu. Select Sales Tax Reports from the drop-down options available. Choose the specific report type you want to backup. Set the date range for the records you need, ensuring it covers the period you intend to audit. Click on the Generate Report button to run the report. Once the report is generated, view the document for accuracy. Select the format you wish to export the report in, such as CSV or PDF. Click on the Download button to save the report to your device. Repeat the process for any additional reports you need for backup. Organize the downloaded files into a designated backup folder for easy access. Consider adding a naming convention to your files for clarity, including the date and report type. If necessary, create a backup of your folder on an external device or cloud storage. Regularly review and update your backup files to ensure they remain current. Record the backup date and maintain a log for your audit records. Ensure that all backups are stored securely to protect sensitive information. By following these steps, you'll have a reliable method for backing up your Avalara sales tax records for audits. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.